Hi friends, Sarve Jana Sukhna Bhavantu. This is Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pulepu. See, this problem is 14th problem in exercise 1.1. It's very good problem. If A is equal to 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, show that A inverse is equal to 1 by 2 into A square minus 3i. See, I hope we done one problem similar this type. Some A square minus 3a. I think, fourth question, a square minus 3a 7i is equal to 0. They are asking show that hence find a inverse. But already that is we proved, then we found a inverse. This problem is what here is given a inverse itself. There we found a inverse, something we proved. So it's back process. This is already taken for granted. This equation is true. So what you will do? A inverse finding a square minus 3 both side equating somewhat headache. So I don't want to do in both ways. In one way I will attack. So this take this equation. Pre-multiply by a. Pre-multiply by a. If you pre-multiply by a means what? A into a inverse 1 by 2 a into a cube minus 3a into i. Yeah, I into any matrix equal to same matrix. A into a inverse equal to we know I. 1 by 2 a cube minus 3a. So from this what you understand? A cube minus 3a 2 you can take this side 2i. Instead of finding a inverse and both comparing, we can prove like LHS and RHS. This is enough to prove a cube minus 3a is equal to 2i means your job is over. So what you will write? It is enough to prove. What you will write? 2i is equal to a cube minus 3a. Now a is in my hand. No problem. I can attack nicely. So once it taking a into a square I will get a square into a I will get a cube. Then job is over. So getting us very important. This all story first you can read, then attack the problem. Don't go directly. So this how you will write. Children above this side. Now first I will prove RHS. RHS or how you will write, that doesn't matter. You can write a cube minus 3a also, 2i also. Nothing, you have to prove that. To find a cube, what you will do? First a square I will find out. A into a is equal to a square. This is equal to what? 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. Again with same file I can multiply 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. Then first row first column, 0 into 0 waste, 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 that is 2. Then first row second column, 0 into this fellow waste, 1 into 0 waste, 1 into 1 1. Then first row third column, 0 into waste, 1 into 1, 1 into 0 waste 1. Then second row first column, 1 into 0 waste, 0 into 1 waste, 1 into 1 stands. Then 1 into 1 waste, 0 into 0 waste, 1 into 1 1 stands. Then 1 into 1, okay, 0 into 1 waste, 1 into 0 waste 1. Then third row first column, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1, 0 into 1 0, so 1. Plus I have to write actually 1 into 1 1 plus 0 plus 0, so 1. 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into 1 1, 0 into 0, so 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Who is this fellow? A square. A cube, what you will do? A square into A. If you write A square into A means what? A square you can write pre-multiplication. Suppose A into A square means what? A square you can write that side. As you like, how we are mentioning is very very important. Anyway, you will get your answer, but don't do mistakes. Mathematically is pakka wrong. A square into A means what? First you can write A square, then A you can write. I will tell you. Shall I rub off here? Now A cube is equal to what? A square into A. Suppose if you want A into A square means what? First A you can write, A square you can write. But anyway you will get your answer. If you don't do the means, that is, if you multiply means what? That is totally wrong, 100% is wrong. Immediately they will ask, who is your maths master? What is your maths master name? They will ask. Or who is your maths teacher? Like this they will scold your teacher. So don't get the scolds your teacher. So what you will get? A cube, A square already available in my hand. Who is this fellow? 2 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 2. Who is A? 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. Then take one row, all columns. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. 2 into 0, 0, 1, 1 into 1 plus 1. Then 2 into 2, 2, 1 into 0, 0 plus 1. Then 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 plus 0. Then second row, first column, 0 plus 1 plus 1. Then second row, second column, 1 plus 0 plus 1. Second row, third column, 1 plus 1 plus 0. First row, third row, first column, 0 plus 1 plus 2. Then 1, third row, second column, first 1 plus 0 plus 2. Then third row, third column, 1 plus 1 plus 0. Yeah, 2i, the directly now it's only A cube minus 3i how to do, correct. This is equal to what? A cube. Should rub off. I wondered actually why I don't get the 2i. So that sometimes you will confuse. So U is A cube, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2. Now what I want to prove that 2i is equal to what? A cube minus 3a. A cube minus 3a is equal to what? A cube available in my hand, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, minus 3 into I, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Then what you will get? A cube minus 3a. Sorry, 3a I want to write. Sorry. I want to write 3a. 3i I written, not 3i. A is what? 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. Minus 2i you getting. What is question? Okay. A cube minus 3i is equal to 2a inverse. Okay. Then what you will get if you multiply? A cube minus 3i is what you will get? 2 minus 3 2 minus, sorry, 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. Proved. Sorry, 3 into 0, so I'm confusing you see. So thank you for watching our channel. Kindly share and subscribe. Be part of our service. Bye.